Alrighty. I apologize for not doing this in the live sale, but I had to get ready to, go. So I'm going to go through these real quick, give you the prices. If you want any of these things, please email IM or put it in the comment section. So the first thing we have is this. It's a collaboration between myself and Hags Hollow over at Darkwood Sanctuary. It is these little appliques, and some of them are naked, and some of them are tea-dyed. So she tea-dyed a bunch, and I have the naked ones, and there are 30 pieces in the bag, and the bag is $2. Now, if for whatever reason you want all white or all tea, let me know. We'll see what we can do. The second thing I have today is this 5x5 chipboard binder with tab pages. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tab pages in here. It is a 3-ring binder in chipboard, completely naked. And this is the Maya Road, from Maya Road. And this one is $5. Next up, I have some random sticker packs. These are $2. There's 3 available. And then I have these cards that are kind of in the Tim Holtz style. I'll go ahead and pull this out because there's 4 cards in each pack, and I want you to see all 4. So you have this one. It says "Make You Shine," and then you have one of these, and one of these. So you get 4 cards, 4 envelopes in the pack. They are blank on the inside. My apologies. And these are $2 a pack. 3 available. Then I have one of these. This is like a mailing photo album kind of thing. As you can see, you've got your little cuts here for your pictures to go in. And it's got this on the side. And then the other side's all green. And this would be a cute little journal. Or album, whatever you want to do with it. And it comes in this envelope, which is very heavyweight. So it comes with the album, the mailer for the album. And this is $3. And then we have these, Mr. Huey's. These are masks, stencils, basically. Designed for, like your sprays and stuff, and your modeling paste if you want. And this is the design. They're all the same. And these are from Studio Calico, and they are $2 a piece. And then I have one set of faux vintage postcards. Kind of vacation themed. And these are $2. And then we have, of course, these. This is out of a book that I disassembled in a live. And I don't need all of this, but this is your front page. And then that's the back of it. And then you have this page and the back, and this page and the back. And there's 4 sets, exactly the same, so 12 sheets in there. And you can make a signature page out of it if you want to by doing the binding the way that, I have a video for that. Shows you how to do it, how to turn paper into, regular paper into signature pages. There are 4 of these available, and these are, let's see, $2. And then we have these. These are embossed paper. So you have this really heavy embossed paper with the envelopes. This one is Magnolia. And then you have this one, which is the roses. So you've got the beautiful rose on there. And then let me pull one of these envelopes because it's fantastic. There we go. Again, it's embossed here. And then look at the envelope. Gorgeous, right? This is roses. So the first one is Magnolia, and this one is roses, and these are $6 a set. And then I have a couple of these little flower-shaped chipboard books, ring bound, and these are $2. And then we have some Glitz rub-ons. This is the Love Nest variety, and this one is $2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those available. And then we have this little thing. This is a vintage desk set. So you've got your writing paper and a pen. Open it up. You've got postcards and regular cards here. And the cards are blank on the inside. Envelopes. And you get 12 sheets of stationery, 12 postcards, 8 note cards, 16 color coordinated envelopes, and a matching pen. All vintage, okay? And this is $6. And the next thing we have is, make sure I got the right thing here. Always need to make sure. These are cardstock stickers, okay? And I have 1, 2, 3 available. These do go well with the rub-ons too, by the way. So the colors are good. You know, they'll match well if you want to get both. And these are $2, and I have 1, 2, 3 available. And we have some Melissa Francis rub-ons. And this is 1962. And you can see they're just like doodles. I have 4 of those available. And they are $2. I have some hot glue guns. I have 2 of these available, and they're $4 a piece. And lastly, I have some frames. I'm going to be doing a project with one of these, but we're not going to be using it as a frame. But this one is just over 3 inches tall and just over 2 inches wide, and this one is 2.5 inches, the whole thing. Okay? And these are $2 a piece. There's like 10 of these and only like 3 of these left. And that's it. That's what I have left from today's sale. So again, if you're interested, make sure that you either instant message me, email me, or put something in the comments, and I'll let you know what I still have out of what you choose. Okay? That's it. That's all I got. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.